Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can download a Spotify app. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, open your Google Play Store. And you also want to make sure that you have a good internet connection. So now go to your Google Play Store and then search for Spotify. You also want to make sure that you have enough space so that you can be able to download a Spotify app. So there it is, the Spotify app. Now just tap on install. Now you'll just need to wait to download the app. You can also download a Spotify app on your other devices. And you can download the app for free. So through this app, you can be able to listen to music and podcasts that you love. Make sure that you have a good internet connection so that you can access all of those. So now we'll just need to wait to download the app. After downloading the app, just tap on Open. From here, you can now sign up or log in to your account. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.